What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while, a really long while, and I'm sorry. There's a lot of things that I've been doing with my personal life, just trying to get that situated out first before I start making videos again. We're actually going to be going to a car show tomorrow. So the only problem is that the transmission on the Integra actually broke, and I haven't posted the video yet, but I'm trying to take the Integra tomorrow, so I'm going to show you guys. So this is the transmission. It's out. Sneak peek. Look, yeah, that's all you get to see. Wait till the next video and then you guys can see the actual carnage of what happened. But anyways, let's get into this video. I'm taking Cat's Integra's GSR tranny and I'm putting it in mine just where we can make it until I get the new parts for the transmission to swap them all over again, because I miss my car. So let's throw you guys on the tripod and make this real quick because it is 5:06 right now. Let's see how long this takes. It's like an hour, and it's like 2 hours basically in, and we got stuck because this little lug nut, the key are gone, and I had to find one in AutoZone. Luckily the previous owner had AutoZone ones, so now we got those out finally. We ain't eating until we done with this transmission. That's crazy.
I don't know what the daily talk is. I ain't dropping no train.
That's crazy.
We're done.
My man said we're done. We just got the pizza.
Here's your fucking motivation, your pizza, brother.
Bro,
we literally have 2 bolts left.
I am starving.
Sorry, no, I lied. We got like 8 more.
Nah, brother. Yo, let me at least smell it.
That's all you get.
Oh.
Delicioso. You guys got the meat lovers, not me. Who don't like meat? I love McDonald's. That's what I meant, yeah. Ew, even McDonald's?
Damn, Yoli.
Oh, like you don't be going over there using my discount.
Hey, yo, point steal. He said, baby, you got that discount?
30% discount.
30%?
30%.
Where'd you get that at?
On the McDonald's discount app.
Ready? There you go.
Alright, it's off.
Hold on. You gotta push up. Alright, not too much. You're gonna have to literally lift it like from force.
You want me to go up? I mean, I'm going up.
Yeah, like you gotta lift the end of it.
Like the butt?
Yeah. Cause the pinion, whatever the fuck it's called, is there. So no. There you go. Yeah, at the same time.
No, it's not heavy. It's just awkward.
Oh yeah, I know.
Break this lift so.
Hold on. Bring it over here. Wait. Watch your fingers.
Alright, you're good. Alright, it took us basically 2 hours to finish. Well, at least getting that out with a little bit of shenanigans, but now it's time to enjoy our pizza before it goes in this bad boy and we go out for a test run tonight. Sorry, I was falling over this freaking box.
Yeah.
Yeah. You ready? All right.
Somewhat. I can't really do much. So
You gotta guide me.
Go. Alright, hold on. I told her there. You gotta push it towards you. Towards your face.
Towards my feet?
Yeah. Go down more. Go up. Now keep going. Keep going. Somewhere around there. Can't see either, but there, it should be there. Push in. There you go. Somewhere there.
Get a couple of those seconds of it. Yeah, shit heavy,
Hey,
brother.
after you hit the jam, what's going on?
Exactly.
I need to line it. Hold on. Alright.
What do you want?
Actually, right there. Push in. There you go. Right there. Keep going. Keep going. Right there. You got it. Oh, shit.
finally made it to the meet. It's pretty big. I mean, what? We're kind of late technically. Yeah. Let's look at some supercars real quick. Oh brother! Look at this. Oof. Lambo's everywhere. Oof. Look at this. Yes, it is. Yo, my man's looking thick. Damn, boys. Ooh. This is fire, bro. With the Starlight too. Yo, look at this.
Same size.
Man, I ain't got a whole tablet in the middle. And he got the beats.
Let me show you the beat though. Do a burnout.
This is basically how I would have my GTR. It's crazy. Look at that. I said I would do carbon fenders, carbon hood. Ooh. Nah, this is nice. Look at the duckbill too. Carbon twinsies. Oh man. Oh man, my man lifts up. Wheelie Central over here. I want to build one of these so bad. So bad. Yo, be honest. Get out my shot. Yeah, so finally took out the BRZ and the Integra to one place. Oof. Still getting a little hot though. I gotta change that radiator ASAP. No Rocky.
You guys want to hear some boost? Oh, there's people in the way. Look, I'll show you some boost. She's breaking her neck.
Alright, so that's gonna do it for today's video, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed. And hopefully we can go out to some more car meets now that this transmission is in, and hopefully it doesn't break. I mean, this transmission compared to the other transmission is a whole lot smoother, but obviously it's not my transmission, so I will be taking it off once I get mine's fixed and giving it right back to her, because one, it's not mine and I hate having things that aren't mine, and then two, I kind of like having things that were originally mine still be mine, as in, like, for example, the VIN is still the matching VIN to the actual car, so why would I switch it? So thank you guys for watching. Peace out. Catch you guys in the next one.